now for the business report. Blue Power Group Limited has declared a dividend of 10 cents per share payable on October 11, 2024 to shareholders on record as at September 27, 2024. The ex-dividend date is September 27, 2024. Lumber Depot Limited has declared a dividend of 7 cents per share payable on October 11, 2024 to shareholders on record as at September 27, 2024. The ex-dividend date is September 27, 2024. Caribbean Cream Limited for the first quarter ended May 31, 2024 reported a 26% increase in revenue totaling $763.60 million compared to $603.99 million in the corresponding 3 months last year. This was driven by improved stock availability with the operation of their new cold room, which has allowed them to meet the increased demand for their products. Net profit for the 3 months amounted to $15.33 million, a 129% increase from the $6.70 million reported in 2023. The Planning Institute of Jamaica estimates that the local economy was relatively flat in April-June 2024 quarter. In the latest preliminary estimates delivered on Wednesday, Director General of the PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, said gross domestic product for the 3 months was at 0.1% compared with a similar period last year. Meanwhile, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica has reported that export revenues contracted by 4.1% in the first 4 months of 2024. Jamaica's top 5 export destinations were the USA, Iceland, the Russian Federation, Puerto Rico, and Canada. Export revenue from countries rose by 2.6% to $452.6 million, primarily due to higher alumina exports to Iceland. Denise Williams is up next with a report on the market movements in the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
During trading for period of September 4, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,807,807 units, representing 26.08% of the market value in terms of sales. International supermarket operator Deramon Trading Limited with 1,677,349 units, representing 15.58% of the market value in terms of sales. Pharmaceutical and medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 1,092,085 units, representing 10.14% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On September 4, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $52.89 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $73 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.44 and bought the US dollar for $156.94. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.50, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.02 from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.52 and bought for $116.50. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.09, selling it for $207.91 and buying it for $200.82. For our credit report tip of the day, we again are looking at helping you recover from back to school spending. And we want to help you to rebuild your credit score and prepare for what's coming next. There could be a new car, fixing up your home, or qualifying for a mortgage. So let's take this idea. Use credit strategically. If you have a credit card, use it strategically by making small purchases and paying them off in full each month. This will show responsible credit usage without accruing debt.